My name is Leif Hammarström. I'm professor of chemical physics here at the Department of Chemistry at Oxford Laboratory. My research field relates very closely to climate change, or is dependent on climate change. We have been for about 20 years running a project trying to convert solar energy into a fuel that can be stored. And of course the motivation for that is to get away from fossil fuels and dependence on conventional energy sources and get a green, renewable energy source. My research subject hopes to in the future provide a lot of energy to mankind by converting solar energy into storable fuel. And thus we would be able to go to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, which is a major source of global warming. Solar fuels research is booming internationally now, and we have a good leading role in Sweden. We are chemists, but also biologists and physicists working together in cross-disciplinary collaboration. And this really puts chemistry at the forefront of solving one of society's most important and pressing problems today. And but we chemists cannot work alone. We need physical engineering, we need biological competence and solutions, and of course also social science, legislation, social acceptance issues are very important. And worldwide, we and our colleagues are forming alliances or interests organization to try to promote a broader view of solar fuels research, collaboration on the science, but also technology and societal issues. My hopes and fears for the climate meeting in Paris I share with many people. Our hopes is that the countries will actually come to some progressive agreement in stark contrast to what happened during the Copenhagen meeting. My fear is, of course, that other issues that are currently pressing will make the meeting lose focus on climate questions. Climate solutions are important to have ultimately a stable Earth. Stable not only in a geological sense, but a societal sense. To have stable societies, we need to have an environment that is sustainable. We need to have energy resources for everyone, for all countries. And I hope that solar energy is probably the most evenly distributed resource we have on the planet. And wide-scale solar energy usage will allow practically every country to be energy independent. And I think that could be very important to stabilize political situations in the world today.